Hey guys, Rob here. Today's video is an unboxing, and look what I got. Oh yeah, leader class. Oh, Megatron from the last night. Oh, Walmart, freaking, whoo, two thumbs up. I picked him up at Walmart the other day for $13 and change, less than a deluxe class figure. I was really happy when I went. I the tag at the clearance aisle said $25. So I decided to go to the scanner, scan it, just to make sure if it was 25 bucks. And it rang up 13. And I was like, oh, yeah. I was happy. But let's get this open. First off, we do have our instructions. Whoops. Yeah. Big bot. Oh! And there's his, he's got some FX, Force FX too, that comes with him. Sweet. Sweet. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm using my scissors this time because they're sharp. Freaking, I need to sharpen up all my knives. Dull. Where are all the rest of the ties? There's one. There's another one. Come on. All I can say is they're packaged really well. They got enough ties to last on this guy here. There you go. It's not the last one. Where's the last one? Right there. Finally! Megatron is free! Woohoo! No, I gotta get the rest of these ones off. There we go. Yeah. Oh, he's a big boy. Megatron's a big boy. Haha, look at that. Got some back kibble, but, you know, there's a lot of them out there with a lot of back frickin' kibble. Yeah, that's his wings on his back. Yeah. I'm honestly thinking about doing a custom out of him. I'm thinking about it. I mean, I like the look of them, but I don't really like the paint, I guess, that they put on them. I want to do some chrome. I think I want to put some chrome on him. But I guess these are for like the jet mode, I think. Yeah. You see here. Oh yeah. They're like going as for like as afterburners. Let me just look in the instructions real quick, guys. Yeah. The FX go like right here. There it is right there. Yeah. That's a kind of cool feature. You don't have many Transformers with that, like, these on them. It's kind of cool. Yeah. Anyway. For articulation, let's see here. Megatron. Gonna go all the way out this way. Full 360 arm rotation. Pretty tight joints. That's nice. Let's see. They have like this plastic leg skirting right here, or here, but a cross plate, and that kind of would inhibit a little bit of the movements of his legs. But let's see, and maybe not. They come up. So, and then you got ratchets. Ratchets. Alright, legs go up that far. Pretty solid knee bend. I say, I tell you one thing I can tell you right off: the wings feel really cheap plastic. I mean, like, yeah. I wish, Hasbro would make, just a little bit thicker plastic, because this feels really cheap. The wings do, wing portions. Yeah, whatever. But I'll show you on robot mode how these look. The force effects. Come on. Oh yeah. So he looks like he's like. That's pretty funny. But it's actually meant for the jet mode. But they also say I can plug into this gun here. So I can try to get it to work here. Come on. Alright, so yeah. So it's like, a blaster effect too. It's okay, It's not great, but enough of those. Yeah. Get the badass sword. Ugh. I'm more into melee weapons, honestly. I like the bigger swords and shields and stuff. So he's got his blaster gun on one arm and shield and a sword in the other. I really do like that sword. It's pretty cool. Yeah. He doesn't want to stay in his hand though. It's like, get in there. There we go. It clicked in. Yeah. But, it's typical. There's like leader class, no waist swivel. I mean, some Transformers do have waist swivel, or ratcheted, and that's a good feature. I do like that. Let's see, for his heels, no heel tilt, no rocker. They're like molded, so they're solid. Oh yeah, he has up and down on his toe movement. I guess that's why I like the leader class, because um, you can rock and tilt the heel and up and down too. This, it's just up and down toe movement. But yeah, I really think I'm going to do a custom out of him. He could use some paint, and I think I want to use some metallic colors or some chrome. I really don't like the yellowy looking stuff, like the yellow paint right there, and the yellow over here. I'm not a fan of that yellowy looking. It's like, ugh. It's like dirty mustard yellow. Like I'm not okay with that. But overall, I'd give him a 7 out of 10. I mean, you could definitely use some improvements. I don't know. But he's pretty much tight jointed, and that's what I really look for, tight joints. Because if they're loose and flopping, like, they go back to the store. unless I can, you know, fix them and it's not a big, you know, a big problem. Yeah, Megatron. Hmm. Okay. Is this a feature that the gun moves up and down or something? Okay. Let me play with this gun. Oh, that's for like, okay. Yeah. That the gun part becomes the nose cone portion, the front end of the jet. All right. It's kind of cool. But yeah, that's leader class Megatron, and I'm digging him. He would get 10 out of 10 if it's like these wings are feel really flimsy and cheap. If they were like a thicker, heavier plastic and not like, ugh, I don't know. That's still like the only gripe I have is just like the really thin plastic. It just feels a bit fragile, you know. But yeah, that's it. So, all right, guys, like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more unboxings and Transformers. Woo! See you guys.